Okay, Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited, 303-666-9020, jeepsunlimited.net. I always like to do videos on all my frames. This is a 6-cylinder frame, and this is the 03 to 06 style. So, nice, clean, rust-free, as you can see. Absolutely beautiful. All the black on it is still the factory paint. Has not been doctored up in any way, shape, or form. It's in very, very, very good shape. So, one second here. I'm just going to go over it with you. jeepsunlimited.net. That's our website. You can view this frame and others like it. And I will flip it over here in just a second. But main thing is I just wanted to show you how clean it is. This is just dirt back here. You can see, you push hard enough, it comes off. We washed it a long time ago, but I got it listed, and then somehow the listing got lost, so I have to redo it, which is good because we're running low on these things. So 03 to 06, so you can use this on a 9702, but there are two things you got to do that make it really easy to do it if you're going to do it. One is the belly pan, which we sell those things. They are different, so you can't use 9702 belly pan on this frame. And then two is a steering gearbox, which we also sell. So both of those things will make that swap real easy and whatnot on it. So let me flip this guy over and show you the bottom. Not super heavy, as you can see. Flipped it with pretty ease. Control arm mounts are a little bit dinged up there, and that's probably from my guys pulling the control arms and trying to kind of, the bolts sometimes get seized and they're bending back and forth, and it kind of screws them up. So those you'll probably want to spend a little time on straightening. That one's pretty good there, but pretty easy fix on those. And I think that's it. So again, jeepsunlimited.net. 303-666-9020. Absolutely beautiful frame. Other areas I was going to show you is these guys out here. That's where the belly pan changes on them between the early years and whatnot. So, but those are beautiful. Nothing broken off, no rot, nothing like this. A little bit of oxidation here just from the belly pan pinches, metal on metal. There's nothing that goes in between, so just rubs through there. But yeah, absolutely beautiful frame. So I appreciate taking a look.